Hi dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is MD alias Gaur. Welcome to new another first video of Planet Automation Limited. Today I want to describe about the automatic car program. It's a very useful programming of any kinds of cars when you are storage of any kinds of car park automatically. This is a very useful function or useful program of any kinds of cars which there are automatically control of their cars. So friends, no more let's start the video. First I want to describe what we have in this video. Automatic car parking. Car parking designed for the PLC system is the number one topics. Video and 2 is the logo PLC program for auto car parking system. So friends, both is important for this program automatic car parking or auto car parking systems in here. So friends, let's go to the main topics of car parking design for PLC system. Planet car parking. This has like a name here. Describes in here. This is the processing system. So it's gate 1 and then gate 2. This is the entry gate and this is the exit gate. When the car gives entry in here, the I3 senses this sensor here. That means the counting counter is an input of I3. The times when any car is in, the times this sensor will be counting of the counter. Maximum 10 car in storage in this Planet car parking here. So friends, this is the maximum limitation. It's dependent on your garage, which is the maximum capability is 50, 20, 100, 1000. This is the limitations for your car parking or garage here. So I remain or suppose this car parking is storage about 10 maximum 10 car in here. So friends, this is the up counter. I3 is the up counting, and I4 is the down counter. This logo PLC limitations in here. I3 plus I4, that means count plus the directions equals to down count. That's why I3 plus I4 is in here. Otherwise I5 and I6 is the limit shoes in here. This is the limit shoes, and this is the gate. This is gate is the forward and reverse is running in here. So friends, this is the systematic way when your car is in, that times your gate is on in here. This is the after I will describe the programming instructions in here. So friends, this is the I3, this is the up count when your car is in here. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These limitations for the Q3 is on after 0 to 10. When 10 is maximum in here, and the times Q4 is on, because Q4 is the indicator, red bulb. That means your car park storage is about the full. That means no any more car is exiting here, entry in here. So friends, when any car is exit, that times again Q3 will be on. That means less than 10 Q3 will be on, and 10 or greater than 10. That greater than 10, that is not possible. Like equal of 10, Q4 is on. That means full of your car parking storage capability. That times your Q4 is on. After I am less than of 10, that means 9, 8, 7. But that means 0 to 9. That times your Q3 will be on. That means your empty of your internal car parking storage capacity. So friends, this is the systematic way of parking in exit format and entry format here. So entry or I3 counter the sensor is in of your which place is your entry car is in here. That times your I3 sensor is in here. That is the up count. When any car is the entry in here, the times this is the detect of that car, and then it is the entry, and that times the gate will be forward running here. So this is the step by steps of your programming sequence of will be coming here. And I4 and I3 I4 and I3 will be down counting here. So friends, this is the main topics of our Planet car parking. You see maximum 10 car in a parking in here, 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10 in step by step serially. This is the parking in here. So friends, let's go to the logo PLC program for auto car parking. This is the systematic way we want to describe the in logo PLC programs in logo software B6.1. This is our logo soft comfort software. I'm ready for my reading in here. It's a possibility for the first of our program or understanding in here. When I write initially to and that times isn't very long of our meaning. It's a very boring type will be. That's why I'm ready for you. First time understand the programming instructions in here. Switch on push Q3 on. That means Q3 is a green bulb. We are going to this similarity in here. Q3 is green bulb. Q3 is green bulb. There is a Q4 is red bulb. The first time, suppose your belt is running from this switch on push. You initially start off your garage. Switch on push Q3 on. That means green bulb on. That means your internal garage place is empty, totally empty here. Suppose I3 sense Q1 is on. Q1, that means forward is run of your belt or programming sequence after 10 count. Q1 is forward. That means your gate will be forward running here. That means when I3 sense, that means your gate will be on. That times your car is in here. And after then I3 sense 10 count will be 10 count after 10 count Q3. So friends, it's just switch on push. This is the memory, programming memory for the safety. That means this is the safety contact is using here. That times it is a big facility for how you are none of your program. That means sensor when your programming memory on. That times your sensor is sensing device. This is for safety purpose we are using in here. So friends, this is the Q1. Q1 is the forward run. Forward run of your belt, and Q2 is the reverse. And this is the Q3. Q3 is the green bulb. And this is the Q4 is the red bulb in here. Red indicator. Red bulb or red indicator. Red bulb as well as. So friends, this is the Q1 for forward run. Q2 is reverse run. That means your belt forward and reverse will be running here. That is the forward run. And I5 limit switch is sense. That times your reverse will be on. When I6 is sense limit switch, that times your reverse will be off. That means Q2 will be off. This is the directions of programming complete in here. Switch on push Q3. Q3 is green bulb. Suppose you are initially start off your program. That times your green bulb will be on here. And I3 sense Q1 will be on. After 10 count, Q3 off. That means green bulb will be off, and Q4 that means red bulb will be on. I4 sense, I4 that means down count. I4 plus I3 actually. I4 plus I3 after less than of 10, Q4 off. That means when 9, 8, 7, the times Q4 will be off. That means red indicator bulb is off. Q3 green bulb will be on, because your garage internal place will be not empty. The times your car should be parked internally. I5 sense Q1. The I5 is the limit switch. I5 sense when I5 sense, then times Q5 will be Q1 is off. I5 behind Q1 is, that means forward will be run is stopped here. When you get touched to the limit switch, that times your Q1, that means forward run is stopped, and after 5 second Q, that means reverse again your belt, that means gate is replaced. That means exact place of now the close the gate. Suppose your one car is one car is sense in I3. The times Q1 is on. Q1 is on here, and after a long time, any car is not entering here. Sometimes it is not should be your off and off your gate. That is not possible. because you are automatically in control of your carparking here. Any kinds of have to any kinds of gatekeeper in here. At times also there must be close of your gate. At times that's why on I3 sense Q1 is on, forward is on. At times automatically I5 MITSUBISHI is sense in here, and I5 sense, that means Q1 will be off, Q2 after 5 seconds Q2 the reverse is on. That means when I6 sense that means Q2, that means reverse will be off. That times that means your gate will be stable. Your stable that previous place. That means gate is closed. Any kinds of card not entering in here. So well, this is the processing of our car parking in here. I hope you guys understand what is the going on of this processing in here. So friends, let's go to the programming instructions, how I write of this program. Programming instructions, how I write of this programs in here. There's some understanding in here. Switch on, push Q3 on. That means first time is Q3. So how to Q3 is on in here. This is the MAC contact for M1. That means M1 is previously we are writing here. That's why this MAC contact it uses. After I sequentially I make up my programming in here, that helps you understanding easily. M1 is MAC contact in here. This is a break contact that is not affected when M1 is on. That times this is the close of your program. That means your memory will be on. That means your Q3 will be on. This is the main processing in here. So friends, let's go to the that means green bulb will be. This is the green bulb. So friends, I want to write this. This is the green bulb in here. Green bulb or green indicator. Green indicator. Again, we are writing here for understanding. And this is the red indicator. Red indicator bulb for understanding. And this is the we are right previously. This is the forward run. That means gate is forward run. Gate forward run. And this is the gate is reverse run in here. Gate reverse run in here. So friends, this is the systematic way of our this programming sequence in here. We are previously writing there, right? We are writing here. So switch on, push Q3 on. That means green bulb will be on by M1. M1 MAC contact. I3 sense. I3 will be sense. When M1 is on, that means this is the NO will be NC. That means I3 will be sense. And initially Q1, that means get instantly forward. There is a running in here. That means when I3 is sense, that means you should be open up your gate because card is in of your work. So this is should be gate will be on in here. So friends, this is the forward working of forward count of your gate here. 3 cents Q1 10 count after 10 count. This is the system anyway. I want to describe it here. Q3 I3 cents Q1 is on, that means gate is forward. Normally is doing here, and that and 10 count. Then that means I3 is needed for the counting in of our this system reading here. I3 is in here. Why break contact is in for safety purpose. That's why when your memory is in, and this memory is break contact in here, then it's a processing so not off count of your limitation of parking. This is your maximum limitation of your park is 10. That means your on threshold will be trained and threshold will be trained. This is the block of your mark or maximum positions. So that times when your this is not capable of element, or this is not capable of when your break contact is using here. That times you are fixed of your maximum limitations, and that's not upcoming or counting or not possible of your counter. So this is the safety for your counter. So when break contact is memory is a memory after memory on, this is the Q3 on. I directly uses Q3 in here because I give M3 is uses in here because this NC is needed for safety purpose. It's not your programming safety for your industrial this application safety. This is not effect on your programming sequence. So friends, this is the big facility of your programming sequence. So friends, M1 is this is the M1, and it will be when C002, that means counter when this M1 is activated, that means N will be NC. This power is activated in your point. This the NC. First time it's on. That means it's the MAC contact in here when after 10 is count. That means that times its N will be NC. That times your Q4 will be off. When it's a latch, when your I4 is saying that down count is that is the point position of 9. That times Q4 will be off, Q3 will be on, because this is the maximum positions. For when maximum positions the approach of your counter, that times this N will be NC, that times it will be on. Otherwise it's always off, it will be on. The green indicator, that means your green indicator bulb is on indicator all times. So friends, this is the facility, that's why this is the main safety for your programming sequence. Friends, when I5 sends Q1 off, I5 sends our PLC sensor is connected to the memory. It is the programming memory, not your physical devices in here. I5 sends Q1 off, Q1 off. Instead Q1 will be off. That means this M1 break contact is in here. That's why this is the Q1 will be off, and 5 seconds after 5 seconds the timer 1 is on, and after that times your Q2 will be, that means get reverse furnace activated. So this is the systematic. And on I6 sense, that means I6 sense issues, and I6 sense will be off, I6 sensor, it's like a sensitive issues. So now in I6 sense, this Q2 will be off. This is the programming instructions in here. So first let's go to the simulation. What will be this in here? First time, I want to write this the start process. Start process, or start the build, or any kinds of, let's say this is the stop arrow. Stop all of your whole programs, whole machine, whole of your whole parking. Stop. So friends, let's go to the simulation in here. Switch on push Q3 on, that means green bulb is on. I3 sense Q1 is running, and counter is count 1. Okay, and suppose your car is in one car is in here, your carriage. That times you should be close of your build. So first times it's automatically forward is run, and it's going to this chooses push of this limit switch. The times Q1 will be off, and again Q2 will be on, and then it's I6 sense. On I6 sense, that means Q2 will be off. It's a programming sequence also. So Q1, Q3 is a green bulb, because your counter is counted on. That means one car is in here. So friends, this suppose I5 limit switch. Q1 is off. After 5 seconds, Q2 will be off. Q2 will be on after 5 seconds. On I6 sense Q2. This is the programming sequence. Yes. So friends, again I3 sense. Q1 is on, and that means your open of your gate. That is it. Carries in. After maximum 10 will be on. That means Q3 will be off. Q4 on. Again, when any car is exit, the times your I4 is sense. That means Q4 will be off. Q3 will be again on. This is the programming sequence, friends. And after we have to do this, and I say I5 sense Q1 is off, and after 5 seconds Q2 will be off. Q2 will be on, and I6 sense Q2 will be, that means reverse is stopped, because when this your belt is stepped in sense of this limit switch, that means the reverse is stopped. That means your gate is previous positions is stopped, have the previous positions. The gate is closed. No car is entry or exiting here. So friends, this is the automatic car parking processing. I hope you understand. This is the programming sequence of any kinds of this, and this is the emergency stop button I2. When I2 is all is stop button, all is stopped right now here. So I hope you guys understand of the programming sequence. You must be right of the programming sequence, and initially step by step right, and then you try of your desktop or laptop in kinds of your devices. So friends, I hope you are helpful of this video. If you like of this video, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. This process will never miss another update. So friends, follow the next video tutorial. Till then, Allah Hafiz.